understand. Here we'll explore lots of cool math topics, especially geometry, which is about studying shapes, sizes, and spaces, and we'll help you understand it step by step. You'll get to see model shapes like cubes, spheres, cones, and more to make tricky ideas simple. We'll also use amazing tools like PhET simulations to explore areas of plane shapes such as squares, rectangles, circles, and triangles. These interactive tools will help you see how shapes work and how to calculate their areas in real-world situations. This is a space where you can ask questions, try new things, and learn in a fun way. Are you ready to discover how awesome math can be? Let's get started.
Right, you're welcome to Mathematics Clinic, and here is your Mathematics Clinic teacher. Today, we want to learn about Prism. We want to learn about Prism. We want to learn about Prism. You can see how these shapes are Prism. What is Prism all about? What is Prism all about? Can we look at the board? What is Prism? A prism is a solid shape in which the top and the bottom faces are the same in shape and size, and all other faces are rectangle. I'll take that again. A prism is a solid shape in which the top and the bottom faces are the same in shape and in size. Now, let's look at what are those things we check before you can say an object is a prism. What do you look before you can say an object or a solid shape is a prism, or a three-dimensional shape is a prism, or a solid mesoration is a prism? Look at this one in my hand. You will have to look at the top. Can you see the top? The bottom two, they are having the same shape, and also it is the same size. So the first thing you need to check is that what is the top and the bottom face like? What is the top and the bottom face like? If you look at this one now, the top, it's like a plane shape. What kind of plane shape is this? Or what kind of polygon is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. It means this is a what? An hexagon. Isn't it? Then we said they must have the same shape and the same size. And all other faces must be what? Rectangle. Look at other faces. Look like a rectangle. 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 Then therefore, this is a what? A prism. This is a what? A prism. So, since you know this is what? An hexagon. We can now call this an hexagon prism. We can call this an hexagon prism. Don't forget, in our past video, we talked about properties of a solid shape, where we are looking at the face, the head, and the vertex. We said the face is the surface of that particular shape. So looking at this now, looking at this hexagon prism now, how many faces does this have? Let's check it. It has 1, 2. That is the top and the bottom. That is 2. Now let's count others. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means an hexagon prism has 8 faces. An hexagon prism has 8 faces. Now let's look at edge. Don't forget that we said an edge is a place where two faces meet. This is a face here. This is also another face here. Therefore, this place is a what? Is an edge. So how many edges can we now see on an hexagon prism? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's come again. Of course, it will be the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and what? And 12. Can we count again? Can we count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That means an hexagon prism has 18 edges. It has 18 edges. What about vertex? We said a vertex is a corner or a place where two or more edges meet. So that means when we look at this one, this is an edge, this is also an edge, this is also an edge. This place is a what? A vertex. So how many vertices do we have in an hexagon prism? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means an hexagon prism has 12 vertices. It has 12 vertices. So an hexagon prism has 8 faces, 18 edges, and 12 vertices. Let's look at another prism. Can we see this now? It's also a prism because when you look at the top and the what and the bottom, is having the same size and the same shape. Can you tell me what shape is this? Great, a square. A square. What about this? Square. Then therefore this is a what? This is a square prism. This is a square prism. And when you look at it in our past video, it looked like a cuboid, isn't it? Then therefore that means a cuboid is also a what? A prism. So a square prism is the same thing as cuboid. Of course, we have learned about the properties of a cuboid. Then this cannot be an issue with us. So this has how many faces now? It has, just like a cuboid, it has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertex. If you want to learn more about cuboid, check this channel. You see a videos on what? On properties of a what? Of a cuboid. Can we see that now? So a cuboid is a what? Is a prism. But we can say this type of prism now is a square prism because the top and the what? And the bottom face that is having the same size is giving us a square. Let's see another prism. Can we see this? You can see this is different from that one. The top here, the face of this top, can we see it? The bottom of this top, can you see it? Great. Okay, let's use this. Can we see the top? Can you see the base? What shape is that? Great. Rectangle. Rectangle. Then, since the top and the what? And the bottom is giving us rectangle. What kind of prism is that? Great. Rectangular prism. Rectangular prism is a rectangular prism. So, a rectangular prism too is just like a cuboid. But only that the top and the bottom face is giving us, the shape is giving us is what? Is rectangle. So, what is now the property? How many faces can we see on this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces. If it has 6 faces, how many numbers of edges can we see on that? It's going to have 12 edges. And it's going to have 8 vertices. Can we see that now? So what we are going to do for me is that look around yourself in that your house. Look at all the objects at home that look like cuboid, that look like cube, that look like, can we see this? Hexagon prism. And try and look at the property like how many faces does this have, how many vertices, and how many edges. So that is how far we can go on prism. If you are joining us for the first time, try and make sure you like this video and make sure you share this video with your classmate or with your classmate parents so that your friends too at home can enjoy mathematics clinic. And all these are prisms. Shall I take you again? This is what? A rectangular prism, an hexagon prism, a square prism. Can we show you another one? Can you see? We are going to learn this in our next video. So join us for the next video to learn more about this kind of what? Prism, and also this kind of prism too.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Mathematics Clinic, where learning math is fun, exciting, and easy to understand. Here we'll explore lots of cool math topics,